In this video, I want to break down how you should know if you should dump your girlfriend or not. And this is not going to be based off feelings, what you think or weighing options. We're just going to use math and economics. I think this will put things in perspective for you. Your heart can lead you down the wrong path, man. If we look at it mathematically and break it down, I think it'll make a lot more sense. I'm also going to have a free spreadsheet template where you can download and plug in the numbers for your girl to see if she's a keeper or a sweeper. So first, we want to know how much money we're spending on this chick. So let's say you went on 3 dates with this girl and you spent $200 on each date. And let's say you smashed twice, 0. Then, she didn't want to smash on the first one because, she didn't want to look like, a hoe. Pro tip, make the first date something like coffee and lunch. So you don't spend a whole fucking bunch of time with this chick and you got to eat lunch anyway. And then the second date, the real date. On the second date, you can smash, but it's really the first date. If you played it right, you get the third date, you smash again. All right, so that's cool. Now, here's the thing. We got a cost per smash of $300 on this chick. All right. Now, all smashes aren't created equal. So we got to have a smash quality score. We got to judge it, right? So the smash quality score, obviously this is 0. Right here we got, let's say the first one, hey, this was pretty good. 1 out of 10. That's pretty good. Let's say the second one, this is when she let the freak out, right? She let it all hang out. She doing the freaky stuff on the second time because first one she didn't want to seem like, oh, I don't do this, but like now she get unleashed because she more comfortable with you and your penis. All right. Now this gives us a smash quality score of 18. So what we want to do is we want to take the cost per smash divided by the smash quality score. That's going to give us what we call the smash quality cost, right? So in this example, we got our cost per smash is $300, okay? With a smash quality score of 18, boom, which gives us smash quality cost, 16.67. Now, see, ideally, what we want is over time, the cost per smash to go down and the smash quality score to go up, which will lower our smash quality costs. Hope this makes sense. Now, let's see what that looks like. Let's say it's like week 2 work, right? Boom. You go on one official date with this girl where you spend money, $200, and you smash and it's a 10 again. But then she just comes over the next 2 times and you don't have to spend no money. Boom. And let's say these are all 10s. This is just for math purposes, right? Now we have a CPS of only $66.70. Does that make sense, guys? Now, once we divide these two to get our new smash quality cost, that leads us, now it's down to 2.22. Hey, it looks like you should keep this chick because now you're getting more out of it. She's bringing more to the table. Like when you watch Fresh and Fit and they're like, what do you bring to the table? I always laugh because we all know it's nothing, right? But it's a trick question. However, if she says, well, listen, my smash quality cost is extremely low, then it's like, oh, all right. Go on, explain it to me, right? Hope everybody gets this. Now, I made this easier for you, and I think I've improved on the design as well. In the description, there is a free link where you can download, and it looks like this. What I think you should do, these are example numbers. So for each one of the chicks you're talking to, they get their own sheet. Or if you got one girl you're dating or a girlfriend, start keeping track of this shit, right? Now, what I think is better if you averaged. I think I want to know how the math works. If you average the smash quality score, I think that works better. So if we use those same numbers, right? So check this out. We got date 600 for the first one. You smash twice. This calculates your cost per smash for you, right? So it changes. You can download this in the description. Right, we're on the same example, but what I think is better if you use average smash, right? So 2 divided by 18 is what? 9, right? I think you should average it, right? And now that's going to change our numbers here, but it's still better, right? I think you should average it. And with the second example is exactly the same, but the average is 10. It still works out the same. It's just the numbers are going to be different. Let's say, right, if you're averaging the smash quality score, I think anything under $10 is good. It depends on your own shit. I think you wipe hers up. This is a warning, but let's see what it looks like. We have different qualifications, right? Dump her, warning, keep dating her, wipe her up. You know what I'm saying? Boom. So let's add some more numbers. Let's say you out here, you spend a G. Some guys out here going crazy, right? Boom. He spends a G and this dude smashes once. Damn. That means his cost per smash is $1,000. It's already looking bad. Even if it's a 10, it's still a SQ score of 100. That's kind of high. You got to think about it. Every time you want some ass, but you really spending $100. You got to think about that. Now, it's even worse if her shit is mid, right? Now they double. Hell, man, you gotta dump her. Listen, you gotta go release her. You gotta waive her. Let her test free agency. I don't know if you want to commit that much investment to a chick. Let's throw some other numbers around. Let's say you out here balling on a budget. You spend like $100 total, but you smashed like 4 times this week. You taking this bitch for coffee and shit. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, now we're looking good. If it's fucking halfway decent, you're still good. Even just a 7, right? So with this math, you should wife her, and then so a relative. Then you might want to keep dating her, right? You know what I'm saying? This one, but you got to think. It's like, damn, man, I'm spending this much. Yeah, it's a 10, but yo, look at the numbers. Twice as much for a 7. Now you got to start thinking about the economics. You know what I'm saying? You can get this calculator for free if you're dating multiple girls, spinning plates or all that other shit. Exercise the options, then you want to make copies of this, one for each chick, and you can do it monthly. You know what I'm saying? Or you can do it weekly. But just keep track of what you spend. If you're not tracking, you're slacking. Keep track of the quality, and then you can make an informed decision. Oh man, this girl is this, blah 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 blah. Should I dump her? I'm gonna ask her, well, what's your SQC, brother? You gotta know your numbers, just like in any business. You watch Shark Tank, and I don't care how much goofy shit they do when they're pitching. At some point, Mr. Wonderful is going to say, tell us about the numbers. You know what I'm saying? And that's when he's either going to be like, yo, I'm out. You know what I'm saying? If it was some good numbers, then you might see a bidding war. You might see Kevin O'Leary yelling at Mark Cuban. You might see Barbara yelling at the hot one. Not really hot. I mean, it's rated on a curve. I mean, as far as old white ladies go, it's not for me. You know what I'm saying? Right? You gotta check your numbers, man. What's your numbers, right? So download this. This is 100% free. Send this video to your friends. Share it with the homies. Remember, the link is in the description. You should download this now and save it. It's a free Notion template. In here, when you click on this, there's also another planner if you want to actually plan your goals out. You should check that out. I have a whole video on how this one works. Matter of fact, you should go watch that video now.